Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota RAV4 sun visor. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new replacement sun visor. Make sure you're working in a well-lit space to clearly see all the components. Having the right tools makes this job much easier and safer for you. Now, let's remove the old visor. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the small plastic cover at the base of the visor. Once exposed, unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting screws holding it to the headliner. If your visor has vanity lights, gently disconnect any electrical connectors before fully removing the old unit. With the old visor out, it's time to install the new one. If your new visor has electrical connections, plug them in first. Then, carefully align the new visor's base with the mounting holes in the headliner. Insert and securely fasten the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the visor feels firm and doesn't wobble before proceeding. Finally, let's do some quick checks. Move the new sun visor through its full range of motion to ensure it operates smoothly. Snap any plastic covers back into place, making sure they are secure. You've successfully replaced your RAV4 sun visor. Before you go, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.